Alright guys, so it is no longer a news that Grok AI is no longer free, right? So this is it. To use Grok AI currently, you have to be on the paid version of it, and which is what 30 USDT monthly. And if you want to subscribe for 1 year, you can see you need to budget at least 300 USDT for a whole year, right? So right in this video guys, I'm gonna be giving you free AI tool which you can actually use in place of Grok AI. I'm gonna be showing you the practical part of it. I mean, how to use this AI tools to generate images and converting them to video. So just make sure you stick around till the end of this video. Meanwhile, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and without wasting much of our time, let's go straight to the video. Okay, so the first AI tool we are going to be testing is Queen AI right here. Now, this is it. All you need to do is to sign in with your Google account and you are good to go. Once you sign in, this is the interface you will see right here. So this, if I come over to this plus icon right here, you can see you can actually upload your attachment. This is just like ChatGPT, where you can, in fact, you can write script with this AI tool. You can upload a reference image right here, just in case you want to make a video or a picture and you actually want your picture to look exactly like that particular picture. So you can actually do that right here. You can do a deep research, you can create images right here, you can create videos, create web development. You can actually develop web with this. So this is it. If I click on create image right here, and I'm going to be using this particular prompt. So this is it. A cute cartoon boy, 8 years old, big explosion, brown eyes, smooth dark skin. Okay, so don't worry, I will leave this prompt right in my Telegram channel. So make sure you join my community using the link in the description of this video. Now, once you are done with that, the next thing you need to do is to select your aspect ratio. Okay, if you are doing video for YouTube, this is a 16 ratio. Now, if you are doing for Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, go with this. So I will leave it at 16:9 right here. So let's go ahead and see what this AI tool can actually deliver right here. All right, so this is the image I got from this particular AI tool, and it gives me exactly what I needed right here. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is converting this to video. Okay, so to do that, it's either you click on new chat or you continue with the same chat. So download my picture first of all. So all I need to do is to upload this particular image right here. So this is it. Okay, so that is it. My image is actually uploading right here. So let me paste my prompt. All right, so I'll go with this particular prompt right here. The cartoon boy starts by looking confused, then suddenly understands something and smiles confidently. He nods. He said, okay, this is, you can pause the video and go through the prompt or check my Telegram channel right here. So let's generate this. All right, so this is it. Now you can see this AI tool was able to generate 5 seconds video right here. Now if you want to make longer video using this particular AI, drop it in the comment section and I'll give you the tips. In fact, I'll make a separate video on how to create longer video using this particular AI tool. So this is a video right here, so you can see, okay, just exactly what I wanted the AI tool to do for me right here. So if in fact your prompt should always tell exactly how you want your video to look like. So that is it. As of the time I'm making this video, this AI tool is totally free. You are not paying a dime. So this is it. The link to this AI tool will be in the description of this video. Now the second AI tool I'm going to be giving us right here is Arena AI. The link will also be in the description of this video. Now this is it. You can also write some script right here. You can do research with it. Okay, so if you want to create an image right here, just come over to this place right here. This is it, generate image, then click on that and boom, paste your prompt right here. So the same prompt I used before, I'm still going to be using the same prompt throughout in this video. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so let's generate and see the, okay, now click on agree. Let's see for the result. Okay, so this is it. Now this AI tool is actually giving you 2 images right here, so you can choose anyone that is perfect enough for you right here. So I think I actually love this particular one right here, so I'll go ahead and download this. So to create a video right here, just go to the new chat right here. Okay, now click on this video icon right here, generate video. So I'll paste my video prompt right here, but meanwhile let me upload my image. Okay, and this is the image right here. So I'll paste the same prompt right here, then generate. All right, so the videos are ready right here. So let's preview this. You can see we also have 2 options right here. So I'll start with the very first one. All right, so let's check the second video right here. So you can see the second option right here. Okay, so you can always choose your best video right here. So I think the very first one is the best right here. So you can see from what I just observed right here, Arena AI is actually better than the very first one right here, although it all depends your prompt. But from what I just did right here using the same prompts, I think I got a better result from this particular AI tool right here. So the next one, we are gonna be using Google Flow AI. Okay, you have been using this particular AI tool. Okay, the last video I made, I actually touched this particular AI tool. So to get started with this particular tool, click on Create with Flow. So once you get to this particular interface, click on New Project, and this is where you will find yourself. Now come over to this particular menu right here. Okay, select video. You can see here we have the image and the video. So select video right here, then use ingredient. Depends what you are doing right here. Okay, so for this video I'm going to be using this ingredient right here. Okay, now we select my aspect ratio as 16:9 right here. Now you can choose your output. Okay, the numbers of output depends how many credits you're going to be charged right here. The good thing is that they do give free credit. Okay, once you sign up, you'll be given 150 credits right here. To save your credit, you can actually go with one right here. Okay, don't forget the very first and the second AI tool are absolutely free. Okay, so I'll just use a image I generated with the previous AI tool. Okay, just to save our time right in this video. So this is the image. So I'll paste the same prompt and generate. Okay, so the video is ready right here. So let's preview it.
I got it.
All right, so these AI tools are actually doing very well right here. So from my own, this is my review from the three AI tool. Now the Queen AI tool was a kind of not that perfect. Okay, this is it. I'll play this video. It wasn't as perfect as others, but it is actually nice right here. And the time frame, I mean the time using to generate this picture was somehow slow, but it wasn't that slow. Right, this is my review. And the second one right here, which is the Arena AI, yeah, it took longer time right here, not as fast as Grok AI, but then it delivers perfect result, which is this. And the last one, which is a Flow, okay, it didn't take much time right here, and the result is still superb. So if you don't have the money to upgrade to Grok Premium right here, you can use these three AI tools right here. They are actually doing very well right here. So that is it. Thank you for watching this video, and if you love what I'm doing on this channel, consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future videos right here, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel, okay, to get all the prompts which I use in this video and all the prompts I'm gonna be using in my future videos. So join my Telegram channel using the link in the description of the video. Thank you, and see you in my next video.